Hi everyone, paste foxtail grass on the sheet of paper using double-sided tape. Now color this walnut shell. We are making ladybug here, so color it red. Now make black dots on the top of it using sketch pen and paste it on the top of the grass. Make two ladybugs, draw its legs, and look, your artwork is ready. We're going to paste this leaf on the sheet of paper. Here we are making a flamingo. So color the beak and its eyes, make its legs and paste leaves around it, cut it, and look, your artwork is ready. Let's make artwork today using leaves. So paste all the leaves on the sheet of paper. Cut the extra leaf using scissors. Now tear this white paper. We are going to make mountains here. So remove the shaving of the pencil and dab the color like this using a tissue paper or cotton. Remove it. Your mountains are ready. Draw birds around it and your artwork is done. In this video, we're going to make a beautiful duck using dry leaves. So paste this leaf and make the body of the duck. Paste its eyes. We're also making details using green leaves around it, and it's done. We're going to make beautiful artwork using dry leaves. Paste all the leaves using double-sided tape. Here we're going to make the trees later. We're going to make a girl standing under a rain artwork here. So draw the face using black marker. We are making trees and water around it and the droplets, and your artwork is ready. Cut this ginkgo leaf. We are going to make beautiful artwork here. We are making a girl standing and we are making its legs and cat as well. Now crumple some leaves and paste it on the ground using glue, and your artwork is ready. Let's make artwork using leaves. So collect some leaves. Now we are making small circles. Paste all of them one after another, and look, your caterpillar is ready. We're going to draw its eyes, its legs, and add more details around it, and look, it is ready. We're going to make a beautiful artwork, a girl standing here. Make the skirt and top using leaves and her hair as well. Now draw her face using black marker like we're doing here. Draw her legs and hands. Add more details like paste some leaves around it for more decoration, and your artwork is ready. Cut a circle from white sheet of paper. Now take some dry leaves, cut all of them, crumple them and paste it on the top of the circle. Here we are making two turtles. So make the shell. We are also putting hat on the top of it. Add more details like we are making a bird using peanut shell, and look, your artwork is ready. Let's make a beautiful artwork using leaves and some paper. First we are making the grass and flowers using paper and leaves. Now draw some houses using sketch pen. Make its roof and color it like this. Now tear this paper. We are going to make mountains using them. So remove the shaving of the pencil and dab it using tissue paper or cotton. Now make more such mountains, and look, your artwork is ready. We are going to make flower pot using leaves. So paste some leaves and make the flower like this. Dab this yellow clay, make dots on it, make two such flowers, paste twigs and leaves around it, make a flower pot, color it using sketch pen. We are also making a bee on the top of it, and look, it is ready. Collect some dry leaves, cut it. It is a large leaf. Look, now we are going to cut a shape of flower pot. Paste it on the sheet of paper. Now put some dry ginkgo leaves on the top of it and make flowers out of it. And look, your beautiful flower pot is ready.